Hello, my name is Paula and welcome back to our channel. I have received my Glossybox box and we're going to open it today to see all the goodies inside it. So if you want to see it, keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like these unboxings and makeup, give me a big thumbs up. Have you received your Glossybox box? I received mine and we're fixing to open it. I've already taken the strip off, but I didn't peek. But this sometimes gives me a little bit of trouble. So let's see what's inside. I got the zebra. Which one did you get? Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me which box you got. There was two different ones that you could have received this month. Wild Thing, Wild Thing. It's a pretty box. Like this box. I like it so much. We need to put it, it goes with my background. I love it. If I can get it to stand up there. No, it doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. It goes right with my background. I love it. Okay, here it is, all tied up. Here's what the other box could have been. This is the card. Explore your wild side. And this tells us what's in here. Get fierce glossies. That's how it comes. A little, like a little crown sticker right there. Very good. Glossybox. See what goodies are in here. First one is, oops, I got it upside down. Ico liquid liner in black. I do liquid eyeliner, line and enhance in black. Oh, upside down. Let's see what it looks like. I have not been using liquid eyeliner lately. I've gotten to where I just don't like how it does on my eyes. It sometimes starts to bleed and I just don't like that. So I've been doing like a crayon one. So I'm not going to even swatch this or open it. That's where I draw the line is what it says. Well, I did open it. But I'm not going to swatch it. See, it's like a liquid in there. So I may decide not to use this one since it is liquid. And if I don't use it, I'll probably put it in a giveaway or give it away to family or friends. Price on this, $27. $27. Next is Kiss Proof Lip Cream, Rose Petal, and Bella Pierre. I think that's what that is, Bella Pierre. I'll go ahead and open it. Maybe I can. They're getting it good. Okay, Rose Petal, Bella Pierre. And that's what the color is. Kiss Proof Lip Cream. Swatch. Ooh, that is pretty. I was expecting it to be more of a pinky since it said Rose Petal, but I really like that color. Oh yeah, that's a good color because this is a good color that I wear a lot of. And it would even go with what I have on today. I like that. Speaking of what I have on today, the lipstick that I have on today is from Glamlight, and this one is the S'mores. I do have an unboxing of my Glamlight things. I'll put a link to it right here, and in it, the S'mores one was broken, and so I got a hold of them, and I mean within the hour, I already had a tracking number, and I had this within a couple of days, so they were very, very good about getting right back with me. On my eyes, I have used the Aristo palette from one of my BoxyCharms. All over my lid I used Plautos, and then I used In the Garden. Is that In the Garden? No, In the Ground. And then I used In the Ground. And on my lid, the blue kind of color right here is this one, Mother's House. And then right here in the corner and kind of underneath right here, I used Energetic. And then right underneath my lashes and right in the lash line right here, I used from this palette, the Oakland palette, and it's the quirky one, and it's from Glitz Glam. I used this one right here. It's blue. What's it say? It's Boot. I like that it's kind of a navy color and it's got some sparkly in it. So that's what I use. So that's what's on my eyes and my lips today. Alright, so the lip color is $20. $20. Okay, had to take a quick break. My husband walked in, but I want to show you something. I swatched that lipstick, and while I was up, I thought, okay, I'm gonna go wash this off. So I just took a rag. Ah, look at that. It is not smearing at all, and it didn't come off. I'm actually anxious to really try this because it does say kiss-proof lip cream. Maybe it will be kiss-proof. Who knows? We'll find out, and I'll let you know. This box is $21 for a month. I did do the 3-month subscription, and when you do it, you get a free box, and then you pay like $58.50 plus tax or something like that. It's normally, if you just do one box, it's $21. And so these items, just one of these is already paid for my box. And so that's a really good thing. Also, if you are not subscribed to Glossybox and you want to, I'll leave my referral link down below. I do not get money back from them. What I do get is I get points, and I get to use those then to buy things from their store. So if you do order Glossybox and you order through my referral link, I get points for their store. See what is next. It is a FX CBD Charcoal Face Mask, Purifying and Brightening, Active Botanicals. There that is. And it is $6.99. And I've been really enjoying face masks lately, especially with being inside and not being able to go anywhere. I've been doing face masks at least once, maybe even twice a week, because I've been kind of really enjoying them. So I'll be anxious to get to see this one. Okay, the next one is Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And that's just what it is. It's cleansing, makeup, daily gum, pollutants. It is $14. I love things with collagen in it. It has a smell to it, but I can't figure out the smell. It's not a bad smell, it's just a different smell. And there it is. It's a balm, so it's kind of thicker, smooth. Yeah, I'll try it, that's for sure. Anything with collagen that will help and being a cleanser. You know, we all need cleansers. Even though I do have the makeup eraser, and if you haven't seen my video on the makeup eraser, I'll link it right here. Even though I have it, and it does take off the makeup and things, I still at times like to want to go in with something like this with a balm, because this cleansing balm and other cleansing products, they do add a little bit of moisture and things to your face that the makeup eraser might not. So I've gotten to sometimes where I do the makeup eraser and then I go in with something like this to just make sure everything's off. So I really do like that. Okay, and the last thing is a Steve Laurent, and it matches the packaging. And let's see what this little guy is. This wild thing. I'm a wild thing. I'm really not. I'm pretty tame. Steve Laurent. And get it open. Oh, it's a little palette. It's got a mirror in it. Those are some good colors. Some good neutral colors. Now I'm not going to swatch these. I have a large palette from Rude that has a lot of these same looking colors in it. So before I decide to use these, I want to check with that to see if there's any that are about the same, because if they are about the same, I don't know that I want to swatch these. I may save it for a giveaway or give it to a friend or something, or somebody that's graduating. You know, it's getting about that time to be needing graduation gifts, so some of these things might be good for those girls that are graduating, you know. Have you thought about that? Or you've got some girls on your graduating list? I know they can't have their graduation parties, but they're still graduating. You need to get them something. I did go take a picture of my Rude palette with the same colors that I felt like was in the Steve Laurent palette, and they look pretty close to me. What do you think? Let me know. Should I keep the small one? Should I give it away? And just to show you inside the box, this comes with some little black confetti. Now isn't that fun? So that was a really good box. And I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that this retails for $38. $38. So I will add up all of the prices here and I'll put the total value right here. Okay, I think it was a great box. I am really excited to try this lipstick. This lip cream, I mean, it's staying in place. I'm excited about that. I may or may not use these. I'm not sure about this. This would be a great little gift, eyeliner and eyeshadow. Wouldn't that be a great little gift for a girl? Put it in a little bag, a little makeup bag. 3, I know for sure I'm going to use. So these I will be keeping and using. And for my $21, which really mine wasn't quite that much. This was $6.99. This was $14. So there's $20.99 right there, and I paid $21. Actually, I paid less than that, so I've already paid for it, and that doesn't include my lip cream, which is $20. So for what I paid for the box, it's like I get these, I paid for these 2 and I get all 3 of these free. So it's a great deal, and you get different things each month. We've got skincare and we got makeup. I loved it. I think it was great. What did you get in your box? Did you get the same thing I did? Did you get the same colors I did? What part of it did you like the best? Are you interested in Glossybox? If you are, check out my referral below. I'd love to get some points. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you did enjoy it, give me a big thumbs up. And as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.